In this video, I will show you how to enable auto-dubbing on YouTube. Keep in mind that not all YouTube videos will have this feature unless enabled by the uploader. For example, Mr. Beast's videos will have that turned on. Tap on the video and select the settings icon. If dubbing is enabled, you will be able to change it here. Select another language and the dubbing will go live. You can also change the captions to that specific language as well. This is great, as now people who can't understand that language can now watch it in their own language with captions too. And you can do this midway through to another language.
还是动物，人类最强，来吧！你看这是多么完美的猛兽！你觉得你能跳得比它高吗？我保证，如果它跳4米高，我也跳4米。
If you want to auto-dub your own YouTube videos, you want to go to YouTube on your desktop. Click on your profile icon on the top right side, then select YouTube Studio. From here, click on the Settings tab on the left. A menu will pop up. Go to Upload Defaults, and then go to the Advanced Settings tab. Scroll down and make sure you have the Allow Auto-Dubbing checked, and you can save your changes. This will allow all future uploaded videos to have auto-dubbing on. Thanks for watching.